STARZ is available on your Xumo Stream box in two different ways. First, let's look at your Xumo setup. You can access STARZ content through two different methods on your Xumo box. There's the STARZ app and the Xumo Premium channel. The easiest way to access either option is using your voice remote. Say STARZ app to launch the standalone app, or simply say STARZ to access the Premium channel. When browsing manually, you'll find the STARZ app in your Apps menu. The Premium channel appears in the Xumo Premium Channels row on your home screen with a special banner. Remember, both methods give you access to STARZ content, but they may require different subscriptions. The voice remote is your fastest option for launching either the app or Premium channel. Understanding STARZ subscription options on Xumo is essential for proper access. There are two main subscription types available. The STARZ app subscription allows you to watch and download content on your Xumo device and other devices where the app is available. The STARZ Xumo Premium channel subscription provides access to STARZ content directly integrated into your Xumo Streambox interface. If you encounter issues accessing STARZ, the first step is always to verify that your subscription is active and properly configured. Login problems are common, especially when you have a STARZ subscription through another provider like Spectrum. You might not be able to log into the STARZ app on Xumo in these cases. If login issues persist, try uninstalling and reinstalling the STARZ app. This often resolves authentication and connectivity problems. If problems persist after reinstalling the app, restart your Xumo Streambox. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset, though this will erase all your settings. Following these troubleshooting steps in order will resolve most STARZ access issues on your Xumo device. Start with subscription verification, then try app reinstallation, and only use device restart or factory reset if necessary.